Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have exciting news about India defense sector. The Ministry of Defense might soon award Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL a major contract for 97 more Tejas light compact aircraft Mk1AS. Let's dive into the details. According to recent updates, the Defense Ministry is considering awarding HAL contract worth 67,000 crore for 97 additionally aircraft Mk1AS by the end of this year. This deal would be the second major order for this aircraft, following a previous contract for 83 aircraft, one Mk1AS awarding in February 2021. In April 2024, the ministry issued a tender for these 97 aircraft. Officially have indicated that the acquisition process is progressing and the deal should be presented for approval to the Cabinet Committee on Security in December 2024. HAL has faced delay in delivering the aircraft Mk1AS already on order. The first aircraft initially scheduled for delivery by March 31st, 2024 is now expected to be delivered in November 2024. This delay has raised concern within the Indian Air Force about the potential impact of combat readiness. HAL has stated it will deliver 16 fighters to the Indian Air Force in the 2024 to 2025 year and aims to complete the delivery of all 83 aircraft by 2028 to 29. The aircraft Mk1A, which made its maiden flight on March 28, is intended to replace the aging MiG-21 fighter in the IAF, Indian Air Force fleet. One more challenge has been the delay in the supply of F-404 engines from US base GE Aerospace, which has been pushed back by around 10 months. Additionally, the certification of new system for the aircraft Mk1AS is still pending. Despite the challenges, the aircraft Mk1 is proudly showcased at the ongoing Tarang Shakti 2024 exercise. This is India's largest multilateral air combat drill, featuring 10 foreign air forces and 18 observers countries. The aircraft Mk1A is an advanced version of the aircraft Mk1, which has already been inducted into the Indian Air Force. With new production lines set up in Nasik, HAL aims to ramp up production and meet the growing needs of the Air Force. What do you think about the latest development with the aircraft Mk1A? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.